Hello there, my name is Karthik and I'm a meta ads expert and social media buyer with over 6 years of experience. I specialize in helping businesses run profitable social media campaigns on Facebook and Instagram. As an expert in meta ads, I know how to find my way through the constantly changing world of social media advertising. I also help businesses use the latest targeting and optimization techniques to make sure their ads reach the right people. This allows businesses to maximize their return on investment and get the most out of their ad spend. Staying up to date with the latest trends and changes in the platform is one of the most difficult challenges clients face when running Facebook and Instagram ads. I can help them do this by providing regular updates and insights on the latest developments and best practices for running successful campaigns. One of the most important services I offer is to keep an eye on and improve e-commerce advertising campaigns on a regular basis. This means looking at how the campaigns are doing on a regular basis and finding ways to make them even better. I then provide recommendations for optimization to help advertisers get the best possible results from their campaigns. With my knowledge and experience, I can help you run your campaigns in a profitable way and also offer e-commerce ad management on social media. I look forward to working with you. Thank you.